The camera is a tool. We should strive to use our creativity and simple photographic tools to tell stories that speak of the human condition. This project, entitled Strong and Free, captures the challenges of immigration, raising kids in a new country, racism and fitting in, and the small victories of citizenship, employment, being community leaders, and encouraging their kids to dream big. Today's story is of Ivana from Mexico. I'm Carmen Groh, and this is Hasselblad Stories.
As a very young kid, it was hard to adjust. Since no one really visited us in Texas, it was always us going to Mexico. And then when we first started moving here, when we came and immigrated, we wouldn't go as often. And even after Marco was born, we went a couple of times, but not as often. So it has become a reality that I've had to adapt to and get used to, that family is somewhere else and we're here, and that's just how it is for now, at least. Like, we don't know if they're gonna come and immigrate at some point, but most likely they're not. So it has been tough. I have this best friend of mine who's Italian, and she lives just around the block. And I've been friends with her since I was 3 years old, almost since I've moved here. And her family has sort of become my family as well. So I do have family here, quote unquote family, that do feel like family. Like, for instance, Don and Jan, that I've known ever since I moved here, that are very dear and precious to me, that really are in my life, that I'm so grateful for, that it is a privilege to have, because not many people have it.